BILT we can give to all the high schools because it's an app they can download. For their youth that are in like Department of Juvenile Justice, that's one of the aspects of where we're moving to next, is being able to get the access for them for their virtual reality, but all of them could get the tablet for BILTs because we have the ability for tablet. So they can get the BILT apps where they can make them bigger or smaller. They can see what all of the different tools were. For ours, again, were the switches and the bending the conduit, but there's a million other ones on that BILT app. They can go see all of the Siemens. They can see transformers, they can see power boxes, they can see what the future looks like, and that gives them just a little more hands-on, a little more touch, even though we can't get all the tools behind bars. Sure. Some of those aren't available all the time. We can bring them back for certain things, but this gives them an everyday opportunity to be looking at things they wouldn't normally be able to have maybe in their hands. Honestly, if you mess up bending a piece of conduit on BILT, you can just redo it. If you mess up a big piece of conduit, that's done. You got to go buy some new ones.
That must be so fulfilling and exciting for you.
It totally is. I just like, wow.